Hey everybody, welcome back to another Tuesday grilling video, and today we're doing a classic thinly sliced onion burger. The onions actually end up coating these things and making them phenomenal. So we put just a little bit of oil down on our Blackstone. We're doing these slider style. So what we want to do is take our onions and we want to go as thinly sliced as you possibly can. You're just going to make sure that they're not big. You want them definitely broken up into small little strings. Get those going with a quick fry. We got the heat up pretty high, almost 400 degrees. So we don't want these to get too fried. We want to keep them nice and moist. So we're going to go ahead and put a little lid on these. Get a little water going in there. Now, just enough oil to keep this from sticking. I'm going to drop our burger right down here, slider style, 2.5 ounces, that's all we're using. Got that heat nice and high, you can hear that sizzling. We got our press here. You season your press just like you do your actual pans, that's important. And all we're going to do, press this guy down. And keep it right on here so it stays nice and hot. So we're going to let this cook just for about a minute. That's all we want to do here. Now that this is looking real nice, we're going to flip it right over. Here's the important part. We're going to cover these right on there. Ideally, you don't want these down on the actual griddle top. Now, one last thing we're going to do. We're going to put this lid on here, spray a little water on there. That's just to keep it extra moist. Exactly what we want right here. Take a little bit of this oil. Just want to toast these buns just a tad. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Got that perfect burger right there. So the big question is, how is it? And these onions are just phenomenal. Best to use Vidalia onions. Or 1015s, the sweet ones, but yellow onions are good too. Let's give it a shot. Oh man. Just phenomenal. Plain ground chuck. Good stuff. These are good. I hope you enjoyed this week's Tuesday video all about onion burgers, small slider style on the Blackstone griddle. Bye y'all, we'll see you next Tuesday for another grilling video.